Welcome back. My name is Charlene Randall, and today I want to talk to you about some important tax dates that you need to know for 2026. So I have some notes written down, so you're going to see me looking to the side because I do have some notes written down so I can make sure that I am telling you everything and not leaving out something that I know is really important. So, it's February now, and we all know tax day is April 15th, which is the last day to file taxes. So if you are getting W 2s or have received your W 2s, you have until April 15th to actually file your taxes. And that's a very important date for individuals and families who are just filing W 2 wage statements. Um, but there are also important dates for employers. And basically, I want to let you know with the big, beautiful bill out, there is a lot going on for families as well as businesses. So, as I said, April 15th is the last day to file taxes. And be aware that these new deductions are available in you can file in 2026 for these deductions under the one big beautiful bill. Okay, it is now in effect. So your 2026 strategy, whatever you need to do, it has been completely rewritten because you can do more with the new deductions as an individual and as a business with the one big beautiful bill. Okay, and if you don't use these deductions or you don't know about these deductions, you will be overpaying in taxes. You will be overpaying. Okay, so let me talk to the employers. For the employers, the W 2s and 1099s that you have for your business should have been out by February 2nd. So if you miss the February 2nd date as an employer, the penalties are already accruing. Okay, so you need to fix this like yesterday. So if you have a business and you have employees and you have some of your W 2s that didn't go out, these employees are going to be very unhappy, but you're going to be unhappy as well because you are going to get penalized. Like individuals and families can get penalized, businesses will get penalized for not sending out W 2 forms to their employees on time. So the employees want their W 2s, and the IRS expects that you are going to send out these employees their W 2s by a certain date. So, employers, if you haven't sent out these W 2s or you have employees that are asking for W 2s, um, the IRS gives you this date and they expect you to send it out, or they will penalize you and there will be a penalty for not sending these out on time. Okay, so S Corp businesses and partnerships. If you have an S Corp or you have a partnership, your filing deadline is not April 15th. Your filing deadline is March 16th. So we're in February. So businesses that are S Corps and partnerships, if you need to file taxes, you can contact randallparalegal.com and we can assist you and file your taxes. Because if you don't get your taxes filed by March 16th is the tax date for businesses that are S Corps and partnerships. Okay, so the filing deadline is March 16th, and basically that's only a month away. So if your books are not closed, there will be you're in the danger zone right now because you're will be penalized. You will be penalized after March 16th um as well. If you are a real estate agent, to let you know, the mileage rate has jumped to 70%, 70 cents, excuse me, 70 cents per mile. And you should be tracking all of your lockbox trips, your listing appointments, and everything, or you're going to be leaving money on the table. Contact me to file your taxes the right way. Contact randallparalegal.com, right? You should know that if you've been watching randallparalegal.com, we can assist you. Okay. So basically, you need to have some tax strategy like now, not later. Okay. Because I'm a tax strategist. So I'm not going to just prepare your taxes. I'm going to also give you a strategy to have the best outcome when it comes to your particular situation with your deductions and your credits and how your life runs. Okay. So everybody has different things in their life, different family sizes, different businesses, different products, everything different credits, purchase different products for uh business use. And so you need to do what's best for you. So you definitely need someone who is going to take the time and not just prepare your taxes. Some people out there will prepare your taxes and do the basic minimum and still charge you for services as if they've done everything for you, and they've left a lot of things on the table that you should have received or could have received, and you didn't, and then you end up overpaying, right? So you don't want to do that. Another thing is you have 100% bonus depreciation now. Bonus depreciation is permanent. Okay, so we can write off your equipment, machinery, building improvements, certain building improvements in full right now. You don't have to wait. Like before, you would have to wait for 100% depreciation, but you can now write off 100% depreciation. So also the no tax on tips rules, if you're in a service or hospitality and you are, let's say, a hairstylist, a Uber driver, a barber, uh, anything, a doorman, any hospitality or service job where you receive tips, you now have no tax on your tips. Okay, so that's also a big one. That's also a big one. So I'm letting you know I'm taking a few clients as well. I'm taking a few clients, and if you are interested in getting your taxes done the right way, you should contact me to get started before your filing deadline. So for certain businesses, which are S Corps and partnerships, the date is March 16th. For families, W-2 earners, individuals, the date is April 15th. Okay, so you can reach out to me, ask me certain questions that pertain to your tax, but you need to be ready because the date is closing in. And if you have not done, what you needed to do or started to get your taxes done, you are already in a danger zone because there are certain things that the IRS requires, certain dates that the IRS requires. And as a tax strategist, I want to make sure you have time to get everything that you need done with your return so we can optimize your taxes and give you the best outcome. So we definitely do tax optimization to make sure that your taxes are done properly and you are satisfied and you get premium service no matter what. Okay. So reach out to me if you need to get your taxes done. And remember these dates as they are very important for 2026. And I will see you in the next video.